Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to save your Canva design as an SVG file and why this is super important for logos and branding. Let's get started. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphic. That means your design can be resized bigger or smaller without losing quality. Unlike JPEG or PNG, it never gets blurry. Here's how to do it in Canva. Click Share. Click Download. Under File Type, choose SVG. Click Download. It will save as a SVG file. You can open it and use it. You can even add it to Canva. And that's it. Here's why SVG is powerful. Perfect for logos, best for printing banners, great for embroidery, works for websites, can be resized without losing sharpness. If you save a logo as JPEG and enlarge it, it becomes blurry. But SVG stays crystal clear at any size. For example, if you're running a clothing brand or jewelry business, saving your logo as SVG means you can print it on business cards, shop boards, packaging, or even billboards, and it will always look sharp. That's it for this quick tutorial. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple Canva tips. See you in the next one.